What's going on YouTube? So today we're gonna be installing the bumper that I took to get painted. It's a SIR bumper, and I also got my wing painted. So we're gonna start with removing the front bumper of my car. As y'all can tell, it's really messed up. It's seen better days. So now it's time to get that one installed. But first, what you want to do is remove the bumper by unscrewing this bolt right here. You have another one on the passenger side, and then two 10mm bolts under, and then right here in this area. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys like the bolts up here, or the clips actually. So let's get to it. Alright, so these are the little clips that I was talking about. So you have to remove them all, and then I already took out the ones on the sides. So now all I have to do is just this, and then the ones. So now that you're under the car, you have to do is remove this one. Wait, hold on. You guys can't see. Oh, this one right here. And then there's another one over here. And that's about it. I mean, those are the only ones that my car has. I don't know if the other cars have more or not. But yeah. Let's get them off and get the bumper removed. We have the bumper off. So now what you want to do is just basically just do everything backwards, you know. Just put the bumper on. Right now I don't have a lip for that one, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. But this one has seen better days, honestly. So you can see it's all scratched up right here. Looks like it was hit right here. The lip, well, that was a chip lip, so I don't really care. But yeah, let's get the other bumper on the car, see what it looks like. I might have to adjust this though, because the other bumper was sitting pretty low on this, so I might have to do something about that. Other than that, let's see what it looks like with the new bumper. Never mind, actually first I'm gonna install the covers, because I have honestly no idea how to put them on. Pretty sure it's pretty simple, but let's get it done. Now that we have it ready, let's get to it. We have to get this done, because I'm not sure if I want to do the wing as well, or, well, let's get to it and see how it goes. Now, the way I like to install, well, to reinstall my bumper is to start with the front and then make your way to the back. So after you install this, you should do the ones on the bottom and then the ones on the sides. And I mean, that's just me. Pretty sure everybody does it a different way. But let me get the bumper completely on and show you guys what it looks like after. I might go somewhere and take some pictures, give the car a wash, but right off the bat you can tell the car looks way better. Yeah, of course it's missing the lip, but we're gonna get that soon. And I'm gonna have to do some adjustments, that way the film, like, oh my bad. That way the film right here lines up really well. This one looks alright, but let me just get it on and show you guys what it looks like after. And yeah, let's get to it. So, this is what the car looks like with the bumper on. Took me a while to get it to sit properly, and you can't tell right here the difference. I mean, maybe because the car is not completely clean, but I mean, obviously this paint looks way, I guess, darker than that one, you know. But I'm gonna repaint the whole car soon. The only thing is that I want to replace the other bumper because since it was like really messed up. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And actually, we're gonna end up installing the wing because it looks pretty easy. You just have to drill these things right here. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's like 2 bumps. And I'm guessing that's where the wing goes. I mean, you guys can correct me. Maybe if I mess up, you guys will know. But that's just my guess because I kind of lined up the wing with it and it kind of lines up good. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see what it looks like. If it doesn't line up, then I'm gonna have to do something about it or replace the trunk. Oh, where's the wing at? Oh, it's just in the car. If I replace the trunk, I'll probably go with the carbon fiber one. There's the wing. I'm gonna get it on in a bit because my trunk is actually messed up right here. You can't really tell, but it looks like someone hit it right here. So either way, if we mess up, we're good. But not really, but yeah. It's I'm gonna do this and show you guys if it looks good, or I mean, or if we actually lined up. That's what really matters. But let's give it a shot and let's get to it. Alright guys, so actually everything lined up really good. I mean, I had to do some adjustments, but I mean, honestly, looks really good. It wasn't like easy. If you have an extra set of hands, if you can get a friend to help you out, you know. On the scratch side, because I had to smooth out the surface because I used a drill, so it was like all sharp and stuff. But as you can see, it lines up really good. Perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash the car really quick, take some photos and show you guys where it looks clean and go from there. So let's get to the washing. It's gonna take me a while, but I have to get it done. Alright guys, so this is the outcome of the new front bumper and the wing. Honestly, the car looks beautiful. There's a couple things that I have to fix on it, but it's coming along. That's gonna wrap up the video. If you guys want more videos, let me know. Like and subscribe. There's more things to come for. Like I need a lip, you know, a couple things. And as you guys can see, it's really easy to install the bumper. So if you guys want to do it yourself, go ahead and do it. I honestly like the SR bumper a lot. So stay tuned guys. God bless.